Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make sales bills in Tally Prime. To start, open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. From there, you will select vouchers to access the transaction entry screen. Once in the voucher entry, simply press the F8 key on your keyboard or click the Sales button to open a new sales voucher. This is your first step towards creating a new sales invoice, setting the stage for recording your sales transactions efficiently and accurately within the system. Next, you will input the essential details for your sales transaction. First, select the appropriate buyer's ledger account from your existing list. Then, proceed to enter any relevant dispatch details and order information, such as the order number or delivery note. After that, carefully select each stock item being sold, specifying the exact quantity and the corresponding rate per unit. Finally, ensure you select the correct sales ledger, like sales at 18% GST, to categorize the revenue accurately for accounting purposes. Now, let's add the financial specifics to your sales bill. It is crucial to apply all applicable tax ledgers, such as GST or VAT, to ensure compliance. If there are any additional costs, like freight, packaging, or other miscellaneous charges, make sure to include them in the bill. Always provide a clear and concise narration for the sales transaction, explaining the purpose or any specific terms. Before proceeding, take a moment to thoroughly review the total bill amount to confirm its accuracy and completeness. To finalize your sales bill, simply accept the voucher, which will save the transaction in Tally Prime. Once saved, you can easily print the sales invoice by pressing the Alt+P keys simultaneously. This will bring up the printing options, where you can choose your desired printer and select the appropriate print format for your invoice. Always perform a final review of the printed bill to ensure all details are correct and presentable before dispatching it to your customer. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.